You sound like a damn rhinoceros. You might have a couple boogers up in there.